Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to get a retro animation in Roblox. So firstly, we will open our browser and in the search panel, we will search for retro animation package. Then click on enter. Now on the first page, we will find the retro animation package website. So just left click on it. From here, you will see that the retro animation package is for sale for free. It is by the official Roblox website, so we can just buy it for free. So I'll just click on buy and click on get now. Now the purchase has been successful and I can continue. In order to use the retro animation package, we need to navigate to the search panel, then type Roblox player, then click on open. Now let a Roblox player open. Now it is open. Now we have to head to the avatar section. Then click on customize. Now click on animation. Now you will see that all the retro animations are in here. And we can just select all the retro animations as our animation. So I'll just select them. Now if we go to home section and head into any game, so I'll just head into this game. Now we are in the game and you can see that all of my animations have changed. My jumping animation, my running animation, all has been switched to the retro animation.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.